That's a big one. What else is in there? Quick.
What's in there?
You can pull some more things out with Chelsea. It's a bit hard, Chelsea. Show me. Right. Keep looking. Oh, Chelsea, just try. There you go. Wow. What's that one, Georgie? Wow, new ones. That's called a jumper. Look. Can you say thank you, Grandnan? And thank you, Grandpa? And what else is in here?
Feathers.
No, it's not a... Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.